Girl, I feel its claws crawling into my vagina.
Aw, it's pretty cute though. If you like shift your head to the side.
Girl, get it off me before it starts to lay eggs or something. Just go between my legs and just get it out.
It's gonna look really weird if I just reach in between your legs. Plus, what if I kill it? These species are really rare.
Girl, it's crawling into my soul.
They're endangered. If I flick it or something, I can kill it. Like, what if Dan is the last of his kind? I could never forgive myself.
Named it? Seriously, who does that?
Well, yeah. It just looks like a cute little Dan with its little fuzz and its little spots.
Sasha, get it off me, please.
Okay! You happy now? God, you're such a drama queen.
You know, I hope you know that your little friend Dan is on top of your head.
Where?
That's what I thought.